Hey everybody, it's your boy Little C, bringing you guys a brand new video. So all you guys be wondering where have I been for the past 2 months, and I'm telling you, with school, work, and then this coronavirus, you know, it was hard for me to post and all the stuff and everything. But for today, I got you guys with a great video. And for today, we're gonna be doing a prank on my sister. She's sleeping right now in her room, and I put my speaker, and it's gonna be a firecrackers noise waking her up. So I'm gonna hide the camera in her room, and we're gonna get her reaction waking up.
Caesar!
Gotcha!
It's not even funny, Caesar! What the hell?
We got her good, guys! Ah, we got her! Oh my god, guys, that was the best reaction ever. You good?
It's literally burger for you. Like, why would I take this bed shot?
Yeah.
See, that's my biggest fear.
Guys, we got her good. If you guys did like that prank and you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you can be notified when all my videos come out. And other than that, it's been your boy Little C, and I'm out. Peace.